Good morning, Unity students, parents, and other subscribers. Welcome to the Unity Digital Connections for Tuesday, May 19th. Have a great day. Today is a day one.
Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, and according to Mr. Nelson, our superintendent, on this day we are supposed to wear our favorite team's apparel. So we were supposed to dress like up with our favorite team. So I have the Avalanche hockey team, which is my hockey team, the high school hockey team that I have. So if you do have wear your favorite team's apparel, take a picture and then send it to us. Put it in the checklist part of the folder. So if you take a picture, put it in the checklist part, and then I believe we can send that to Miss Clevey, and I don't know if there's a chance for a drawing or something like that, but that's the last that I heard that we may be doing something like that. So dress up in your favorite apparel for a team, take a picture, and then put it in the checklist, and it'll be fun no matter what, just to see you guys. Secondly, our question of the day today is, if you had a chance to be in a talent show, and maybe even take it further and say you have to be in a talent show, what kind of talent would you do? What would be yours? And my thought was like, oh, a lot of you guys do TikToks or some dancing or singing a song. Some people play the piano. You could do that. Some people play your instruments from band or from orchestra. My daughter Jessie, she would sing and play her ukulele. She's been practicing that. Bike tricks, skateboard tricks, anything else, juggling, whatever you can think of. What would that talent be? Now we'll take a look at those, and it might be something kind of cool to do. Is maybe have a virtual talent show. No guarantees though. No guarantees. Miss Brady and I'll take a look and see what kind of interest that we might have. Lastly, get your stuff in. Friday is our makeup day. Next week we are doing some learning, but it's not new stuff. It might be more like what we would call enrichment types things, or things that would be interesting. But those who aren't caught up yet, you need to seriously get caught up, get it done. We want to make sure that everybody does pass. And we had some superstars, the comeback kids who were pretty far behind, almost thinking that they were not going to pass. Got tons of stuff done. It's on the right track. I'm pretty sure that they're going to pass. So keep up the hard work with that. Have a great Tuesday, and we'll see you guys later.